Hi guys, so in this video I am going to teach you how to edit the website using the Tatsu editor. Now I'm not going to go into huge details about the design side of it. It's literally so that you can update wording, pricing, and all these different elements that are in here. So I'm going to show you on the sponsored drivers page because there's quite a few different elements that we can use. Once you're logged in, if you scroll down a little bit, you should see up the top here this bar appears, and you want to scroll across to where it says edit with Tatsu and click on that so that it launches the visual editor. Now once we're inside it and it's all loaded, you'll see over the left hand side there it lists all of the sections out. But to be honest, the easiest way to navigate around this is just to go over the element that you want to edit and click on it. So if I click on here, you'll see that this is running as inline text, so I can actually change the writing right on the page there. So there's two types of text box that I've included on this. One is inline and one is a text block, which to change this text here you need to go over to the left hand side here, and this is like your normal WordPress type editor, so you've got all of your bold, italic, all of your bullet points and stuff on that side. So that's really easy to quickly go in, make changes and update that, and once you've made your changes just press save and it will save those for you. If we come back over here and scroll down and look at this, we've got our team section here. So the category I put in as a text block, so extreme off-road. Again, you could change this to extreme mountain biking, extreme motocross, power boats, whatever your sponsored driver is. And then if you click on where it says team, here on the left hand side is where you would change the name. So you can change his name in there, change designation, so this is where I put in the race team name, and then a little description. So as you hover over, you'll see those here. So you've got Jim Marsden, which is the title, Gigglepin Racing, which is the designation, and the description, Europe's most decorated off-road racer. And then below that you'll see we've got a series of social icons, so this will link through to his social pages. So over the left hand side you'll see it says social icons with a plus. Click on there and you can see all of the different social links that you can add into it on there. Picture that we've got is on the left here. These are all of a specific size, and if you don't make them the same size then you're going to end up with issues. So you can see the original size here was 590 by 647 pixels, but for it to fit right in this place we've made it square, so 590 by 590 pixels. So as long as the ratio is square, 1:1, like this one is 1024 by 1024 pixels, then you should be good to go on there. And same here at 1024 by 1024 pixels. Bigger is better, so if you want to make it 1024, that's great. No need to go any bigger than that though. If you want to upload a new photo, if it's not already in the media library, you go across to upload photos here, click select files, and then you can just browse through to wherever it is stored on your server, alright, or your computer. So we'll go back and we'll reselect Jim there, set as background image, and then it's got him there, alright. Then underneath, description of who they are, what they do, is another text block. So just click on it and then you can edit all of the text over here, and then put in your links and stuff, like this links through to the Gigglepin Racing website. So that is your team members and text block area. If we scroll down a little bit more, again here got text block. This one is a title with an icon, so you write in your title details in here, which is our quote, and then up here we've got our icon for our quote marks as well. If we wanted to duplicate that and add another one, all we need to do is hover over this little square here, so the two squares with a plus, click it and it just then duplicates it. If I want to delete it, I can delete it like that. If I want to rearrange the order, I can click hold of that and just drag it, and it will then change the order about. Nice and simple. A bit further down I've put in some holding images for a gallery, so once we've got some different pictures of our different racers in action, we can then go and then add them over this side, and when it loads you can also then just click on it and drag it around to change the order, or you can press the little X mark and it will delete the photo. Scroll down a bit further, we've got another text block here, but here you'll see that we've also got the duck bullet points there, which were created as a custom class. Now when you first set bullet points, it's not going to do that automatically for you. So if you look over the left hand side here, you can see here the ducks aren't showing. So I've created a special class which you'd need to go in and add into the code. So if you look at the top here, you see visual and you see code. So you click on code, and then if we scroll down to find where our bullet points start, you'll see it will start with UL, and next to it I've put in this class equals custom bullet points in the commas there. So as long as you put in class equals custom bullet points, it will then change all of those to ducks for you. Hit back on visual so we can continue to scroll down. I think that's the end of the page. So that's pretty much how it's set up on all of the pages. If you want to click on something, click on it, and you can either directly type in there, and your options for moving it about will be over here. So you do center, right, left, change all of that about. I'd leave it as it is. We can change all kinds of things over there, but like I say, you don't need to go into that much detail. If there is specific design things that you want to change, best to give me a call or drop me an email and I'll sort it out for you. But hopefully that gives you a little insight on how easy it is to change this. Don't forget afterwards to click save, and if you want to view your changes, then click view page, and it will open up the page so you can see what changes you have made. So there we go, and we can see all of the changes if we've made any on here. So it's a nice simple system to use, very easy to edit and quickly change things. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.